CX semi-automatic vacuum nitrogen injection can capping machine. Machine is suitable for aluminum can, metal can, plastic can, iron can and PET cans capping. Advanced design, carefully polished corners. Easy to operate and clean. Machine is adjustable for sealing different diameter caps and different height of cans. Machine is low noise and low failure rate, can be continuous and stable, working for a long time. Fully stainless steel design, beautiful and durable. Our machines are CE certification, meet the GMP standard. Machine is based on a safe design concept. 2 buttons need to be pressed at the same time to start the machine. Chrome steel roller, will not easily deformed. World-famous electric and pneumatic accessories. Perfect capping performance, no leaks, no flaking after capping. The vacuum degree is -0.04 to -0.06 MPa, and residual oxygen is 2% to 3% after capping. Machine is offered 2 whole years long-time warranty, technical support for ever after-sales service. Factory direct, more than 8 years machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for your watching, and please do not hesitate to contact us if you are interested in our machines. CX Pack, your trusted, ideal packing machines supplier.